Alright, good afternoon everyone. Today is Friday, January 18th, 2013. Let's just go over the results from the live trading room this morning. We actually had a little bit of red on the morning. Overall we were good, but we were down 8 ticks on the yen, we were down 1 tick on the NQ, up 1 tick on gold, and up 26 ticks on crude oil. Okay, so we lost one trade on the yen, and we actually had a slip of a tick on the NQ. The stop was at break even, and it came back and slipped us 1 tick to make us minus 1 tick over there. The gold, we lost a trade, we won a trade, that put us back at break even over there, plus a tick actually. And the crude oil, we had some good trades on crude. Alright, so on the day that puts us up $165 per contract, and on the month I believe that put us at, let me tell you, in the 13 trading days I think we are at 24.25 or something like that. Just give me a second, I'll tell you in 1 second. We are at 24.20, $2,420 per contract in the live trading room so far for the month of January in the 13 trading days. Okay, if you have not taken a free trial with us, go to www.cfrn.net/apply, sign up for the free trial. When you sign up for a free trial with us, you will get an email that tells you how to download the platform, how to install the indicators, how to contact us, how to do it all, really. It tells you how to put everything on and get ready for the upcoming week. Okay, if you take a trial with us, I highly recommend you do that. Get it started over the weekend. If you did it today, you would have all next week, and then you'd be able to jump back in for that final day the following week as well, if you wanted to. Let's see the trades. I'll go right to left today. I always go left to right, but since I already have this open right here. This was my yen trade this morning. We put the trade on in here, and it took forever for this thing to move. It had a little bit of profit in it for a period here. I had a couple of ticks profit in it, and finally the thing stopped me out. All right, that was minus 8 ticks on the yen. That's my one trade on the yen. If I had thought about it when I placed that trade, the Asian markets they're not running right now. So this is it's already Saturday over there. So if I'd have thought about it, I wouldn't have placed that trade. Friday's not a good day to trade the yen. Sunday night, though. Sunday night's a good time to trade the yen, for those of you guys that want to trade at night. All right, that was it on the yen. I'll go backwards. I said I was going to go right to left today. On the ES, we pointed out one trade this morning on the ES. I had noticed earlier on in the morning, before we even opened the room up, that the markets were super choppy in here. We had one opportunity in here, pull back up, tested the BBC with a down close right here. We had some bearish divergence down here. That's it. Expect it to go down, and it did. Okay. There were a couple more opportunities on the way down right there. I thought right in here, you could have shorted that right there as well. All right. That was it on the ES. Now on the NQ, we took one trade on the NQ over here, all right, where we had a pullback up and tested the BBC with a down close right here. We shorted it there. See how we had all this bearish divergence here? We shorted it there, anticipating that the green line was going to work its way down into the cycle, which it eventually did, and it did go down. It just took forever. We stopped out at minus 1 tick on that. We had our stop at break even, but it took us out at minus a tick. There was another opportunity here on the NQ, and another one over here on the NQ, and another one there on the NQ, and another one right here on the NQ. So it ended up having more opportunities after the fact, but because we did the open house today, we were really busy. I think we placed 10 trades in the morning session, but most of them were in the first probably 15-20 minutes. After the first 15 to 20 minutes, we didn't place that many trades. All right, this is soybeans. All right, these are soybeans, I should say. We didn't place any trades on the beans, but there were trades available. The pullback up tested the BBC with a down close, bearish divergence. Right in there was one spot. The close down below the trend line right here after the open was another spot. All right, but we didn't trade any soybeans this morning. All right. Moving over to the next chart on the left is gold. Gold, we did place a couple of trades this morning. I'll show you. 3 trades. 4 trades? 3 trades. What happened? Oh, okay. I think we stopped out at break even minus a tick or something like that. I don't know. We're missing one in here. There was one trade where we got minus 1 tick. But I'll show you. I'll blow it up a little bit and I'll show you the trades that we took. All right. In here, price pulled back up and tested the BBC. Let me show you my my picture again. I do this every day, almost. The same picture every day. I'm not changing the picture. The rules are the same. They don't change. Oops, I got to show you the short side, not the long side. Step 1, the MA1 crosses below the BBC. Okay. Step 2, there's space in there. Step 3, it pulls back up and closes in the direction of the cross. 1, 2, 3. And step 4 is check for divergence. Divergence down here. Okay. I'm going to slide that off and just show you all those things. Here's step 1. Here was step 2. And step 3 actually was right there and right there. And step 4 was a divergence down there. So the entry is on the down close of the bar that tests the BBC. So either one of these bars, this one right here, you didn't have as much divergence on that one, but you had plenty on this one. Anticipating that the green line was going to work its way down into the cycle. I attempted to get into this and it moved really fast, all right? So I didn't get into it, but I did get into this one over here. Took a little profit. Yeah, we took a little profit. On this one was a break-even trade. This one was a little bit different because it had so much momentum it didn't pull all the way back up to test the BBC, so I just went with the down close below this trend line. And when you become a partner, I'll spend lots of time with you showing you how to draw these trend lines. I've actually already done a whole bunch and recorded it, so we'll just direct you to the place to go see all that. But if you are a partner, look in workshop number 93 in the members area, about an hour into the video, about drawing the trend lines. But if you're not a partner, then you need to become a partner to get access to that. Right here was down close. We got short right in there. We got a break even on that one. We missed that one and that one and that one and that one. This one here we took a little profit on. I think we took 3 ticks profit on this one, and I thought we had minus a tick on that one, but I don't know. I had my arrows drawn wrong. I might have redrawn them while I was showing stuff in the room this morning. But there was a ton of opportunity right here on this big move down on the gold, and unfortunately we didn't get it, but we could have. We had the entry right. We just moved our stop up a little too quickly. There was another opportunity to short right here. You could have shorted here, here, over here, over here, over here, any one of those spots on the way down. Okay, on this one right over here, you could have shorted right here on the way down. And this, let's see, the down close was right there, so you could have shorted right in there. When it moved up right here, no, I'm sorry, you didn't have any divergence to support any trade movement there. Right in there, you could have gotten long. Over here, you could have gotten long again. Over here, you could have gotten short. Over here, you could have gotten short. Over here, short. Over here, short. Over here, short. It's the same exact thing over and over and over again, right? We're doing the same setup over and over and over again on all the markets. The time frame is the same. We're using a 4-tick range chart on all these markets. Okay? It doesn't even matter what the market is. You're just doing the same thing over and over. I don't anticipate that anyone would want to do as many markets as we do, but what I suggest is pick a market that you like, a market you're comfortable with the risk and the margin and all that stuff, and trade that market. Okay. We took a trade here on the Russell this morning. We shorted on the pullback up, tested the BBC with a down close. I put the short on right there. I moved my stop to break even once it had some profit in it. It came back and took me out at break even. Okay. And this was the Russell. The Russell was really choppy today too, so we really didn't look to trade much at all on the Russell. The indexes were all pretty choppy this morning. And let's see, crude oil is the last one. Crude is where we made the most money today. We had some nice trades on crude. And we started out right in here. Our first trade on crude was right here. It gave us like 6 or 8 ticks profit. Came back, took us out at break even. The next trade was right in here. We got long in here. It again gave us 5 or 6 ticks profit. We got out with a little bit of profit, not that much. The next one was over here. We missed it, but this is a textbook trade right here. Okay, let me bring it back up again. I'll show you. Here we go. Step 1 is the bearish cross, which is right here. Step 2, price pulls away from the BBC. Price pulled away. Step 3, it pulled back up, tested the BBC, and closed down in the direction of the cross. Right. Step 4, the slingshot, gives you divergence. That was a textbook trade right there. We missed it, but that was the trade. You could have jumped in again. Even if you missed it here, you could have jumped in again on the close below the trend line. Either way, we missed it. Let's see. The next trade we didn't miss. We took this close right here, this down close right here below the trend line, and it went back and forth a little bit. We ended up taking some profit on it, a little bit of profit on that one. This one over here, I think we took a break even. This one we took a chunk of profit, and we took a chunk of profit on this one too. So altogether we were up 26 ticks on the crude oil. Okay. There's just a ton of opportunity out here, guys. No matter where you live, what time frame you like to trade in, there's pretty much a market available for you to trade. We do the same exact thing across all the markets. You know, I showed earlier today, people wanted to see silver. I asked everybody in the room if they had any particular market they wanted to see, and one person had said silver. So I threw a silver chart up. I'm trying to find it. I must have changed. Oh, here it is, silver. Okay, so I just threw a silver chart up. This used to be, it was a copper chart, and I just changed the symbol to silver. And you can see the places that we had highlighted this morning, trading opportunities. The same thing just happens over and over and over and over again. Okay, in this particular case, you didn't have any support with the divergence down here, so you probably wouldn't have been going long. But you could have gone long in here. I mean, you wouldn't have been going short because you had bullish divergence. But over here, you would have been going short. Over here, you would have been going short. In here, short. Over here, short. Right in here, you could have gone short. Right up here, you could have gone short. And this is silver. That's a significant amount of money right there. I'm not even sure what it is per tick in silver, but I don't know if anybody knows off the top of your head. Just type it in what it is per tick. But this from right here at 32.65 all the way down here to 31.88. I think that's a significant amount. Somebody else can do the math, but we just threw the chart up there randomly. You know, any chart anybody asked they wanted to see, I would throw it up there. There was that one. Let's see, what else do we have? GCL, the 6J. We have the yen. Oh, I know what we had. Let me bring it over here again. The currency pairs. You know, I just showed the currency pairs a little bit this morning. Again, you're looking for the same thing. You know, you're looking for the trend lines that you would draw, and the divergences, and the break of the trend line to get long. Okay, so you could have gotten in right in here. Now I know there's a spread, so when it closed up above there, when that bar closed up above, you might actually got filled up here, but there's still a move up right there. Okay, and there were other places to enter in that direction on the way up. Okay, it doesn't matter what market it is. You can just apply this stuff. It's $100 per tick. Per tick. Oh, I told you it was a lot. There's just a tremendous opportunity for everybody, no matter what market it is you want to trade. Okay. If you have not taken a free trial with us, go to www.cfrn.net/apply. Sign up for the free trial. In the live trading room, you'll see us trade primarily. You'll see us trade gold, crude, the Russell, soybeans, the NQ, the YM, the ES, the yen. Those are the markets that you'll see us trade primarily in the live trading room. We so far in the 13 trading days, I think I said this at the beginning, but in the 13 trading days so far, we are up $2,420 in the live trading room alone. And that's while I'm answering questions from 100 people and trading all these markets. I recommend you pick 1 or 2 markets, trade what you're comfortable with, focus on that, and you should actually have better results than I have. All right. With that, I'm going to wrap it up. Hope everybody has a great long weekend. And if anybody has any questions, you can email us at support@cfrn.net. Anybody who is in the open house today, you have my phone number. Give me a call if you have any questions about anything. All right. Thank you.